Hi guys, my name is Miss O'Sullivan and I'm going to be the Earth-Space Science teacher for 6th grade and the science teacher for Slingshot. During this virtual open house, I'm going to be discussing classroom expectations, policies, supplies needed, a little bit about me, and how to contact me. We'll also discuss things that we'll be learning just this year in science. So a little bit about me. My name is Miss O'Sullivan. I've been teaching science here. This is my 3rd year teaching at Parkway. I really enjoy learning and teaching my students. Some of my favorite things to do is traveling different states, spending time with my family, going to new restaurants and trying new foods, and going to different theme parks. I cannot wait to learn about your likes and dislikes when I see you guys. So the first thing we're going to talk about when class starts is about lab safety and how to conduct yourself when you're in a lab. Whether you're a virtual student or whether you're used to me face-to-face, that's going to be something that is very important to know. We're also going to talk about how we conduct an experiment and what that looks like from your hypothesis, which is the start, all the way to the end. We're going to be talking about Earth's interior, so those are the layers of the Earth. We'll also discuss plate tectonics, so those are things that cause volcanoes, mountains, and earthquakes. We'll also talk about the rock cycle, which is my favorite unit. We'll talk about the different types of rocks and how they are formed. We'll also be talking about our impact on the Earth. So what do humans do to impact the Earth and things we can change and do differently. We'll also talk about the water cycle. So a lot of you guys come into 6th grade already ahead of the game because you have a lot of knowledge about the water cycle from elementary school. So just to talk a little bit about classroom expectations, I understand that things do look a little bit different because most of you guys are virtual. So it is going to be different, but we're going to always work together and it will be a successful school year. So one of the things that are going to be different this year is you guys are going to be watching me and doing your assignments over a computer. So, you need to make sure that you come to class on time, prepared, ready to work. So just like you would in class, you have to be on time, okay? So your teacher will let you know when class starts and what time you need to be in your next class. So you have 4 minutes between each class. And like I said, your teacher will let you know when class ends and what time you need to head over and be in your next class. So within those 4 minutes, it's your time to have a drink of water, use the bathroom, or do whatever you need to do. Okay, so you need to make sure your mic is muted because if all the students have their mic unmuted, then it's going to be a lot of background noise. So you want to make sure that you're in a nice quiet area that you can concentrate and focus on your schoolwork. And you want to limit distractions. So just like if you're in regular school physically, it's not appropriate to have cell phones or to be eating or chewing gum, drinking soda, and you want to make sure that you're ready to work, you're prepared, you're focused, and your outside distractions are limited. So on Teams, which is where we'll have our class discussions, there is a chat at the side. So I'm going to ask that we keep all the conversation limited to science only because it's not appropriate if we're just talking about other things that are not related to school. I will definitely let you guys know as the school year goes on. I'm learning along with you guys just like you. So there's no need to stress or worry. We're all learning together and we understand that things are different. So another thing about me is I really don't like to give homework. So as long as you're using your time wisely and you're focused and you finish your work during school, I won't give any homework. Some supplies that will be needed for the class is a composite notebook. So it's not spiral, it's the one that looks like this. So that's going to be the most important thing we'll use at every single class. So you need to make sure that you always have it. You'll need pens or pencils. I prefer pencils because we all make mistakes and it's just easy to erase. Construction paper, when we do foldables, loose leaf paper, scissors, a box of crayons or colored pencils, and a folder to keep our work organized. If you ever need to contact me, my email address is ashley.o'sullivan@osceolaschools.net. I read my emails every single day, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. I'm very excited about being your teacher this school year, and I cannot wait to see you guys. Bye!